My name is Srihar Jasing, and in this video I will be discussing the question set 49 of DBMS question sets day 9. So this would be the PDF of question set 49, and the above paragraph is the same scenario of question set 44. The school enters the data after installing the software. All school information is included in the software. The principal of the school informed us that the software had to be removed and reinstalled due to a virus in the computer. Imagine that you have chosen to backup the database. Create the backup file, select the C partition, use runabeamer schdb backup as the name of the backup file. So I have a backup folder in my documents folder. So I'm going to store that backed up database in that folder. Let's go to our command prompt and run it as administrator. Let's run it as administrator. Now you can see we are in the system 32. Let's change to mysql bin cd and the path. So that would be the path. Let's execute it, and now let's type mysql dump sql dump and dash u dash p, the name of the database. That would be the name of my database, and let's type the greater than symbol. Now the path of the subfolder, and lastly I will mention and this is the name that I am using to backup my database. Let's execute it. Let's enter my password. Now let's see whether we have backed the database successfully. Here we are in the documents folder, and let's go to the backup folder. Now you can see we have successfully backed up our database, as you can see. So that would be the end of the discussion of question set 49, and thank you.